I'm like, I gotta call in the cavalry. I ain't getting you out of here, buddy.
Yeah, I knew we weren't going this. Well, he gave it
Old Tow Mater.
Gave her the old college try, though. He sure did.
Hey, you don't care if I film you, do, Rory? I know you like talking to the camera.
I'm pretty shy.
Yeah, you are. Never speak your mind either.
No.
All right, so what we got going on here tonight, we got Rory from Moab Motorsports out here with Tow Mater, and he's gonna help us out with old Ghetto Con Jeep that had a little problem with a transfer case or a clutch or something along those lines, but it don't sound good. They're no fun to drag through the sand dunes. We got him a little ways, but called in. I always like the saying, called in the reinforcements from the Illinois National Guard, because it's an old cowboy song.
Armored cars and tanks and jeeps and rigs of every size.
Yep.
We're gonna have ourselves a convoy.
Have a convoy. We'll see what we got going on here. I don't think Rory's gonna have any problem getting this little piece of plastic and pop can steel out of here compared to that American muscle he's pulling in front with. But we'll take you along for the ride. It even looks good in the dark with all these lights.
Doesn't it have like more lights on the top?
Oh yeah, all sorts of lights.
How many switches do you have?
All the switches.
Hey, you want him to ride back with you? So
We'll send it with you.
out of the way?
You play 20 questions.
I mean, I hate for you to train the competition, but you should probably take him back with you, and you'll have one of these built, and then next year you can bring your
Bring the buggy and leave.
buggy and make this kid go do all the recoveries.
There you go.
I can drive stick. Sort of.
Yeah, if that transfer case is blown, I'm not going to put another piece of junk in.
No, we'll update it for
I'm
sure.
saying. I'm thinking Atlas. What do you think?
I think Atlas.
I'll go good with my rock crawler that's coming.
Yeah, we'll get some carbon axles or some.
Get some real ghetto con going. Oh, some carbon axles?
Show you what he's got going on there. He's got the cross. Can't see a dang thing.
So we need to get right up on here then, huh?
Yeah, so basically right over here somewhere.
I think I'll probably take a
Yeah, do a loop just like you did, and we'll
loop
find
around
that.
and come right in there and get up on that hump there.
I got a mess going on behind me. I should have been over one more sand dune. So we're about out of here. Got a snatch block going on. Got to pull that beast up that biggest sand chute. We just about got everybody up out of there.